Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can write H2SO4 on Microsoft Word document. We have three methods on how we can do that. The first method here that we're going to do, so basically you just have to select the number 2 and then hold the control key on your keyboard and select 4. And then go to the home button or home tab right there at the top and just select this icon, which is the subscript. Once you click on that, as you can see, it will automatically translate into this. Now, the second method here, again, select the 2, hold the control key and select 4. Now from here, just need to press control plus equal sign on your keyboard. Now, the third method that we're going to do is we're going to just basically go to the insert new equation. So right here, go to insert and then equation right there at the top right. Now an option shows up here. So just have to select on the option, which is the insert new equation. So from here, just have to go again on script and select on subscript. So as you can see, we have just created this symbol or like icons. So here, basically, you can just manage or customize it. So we can just input here the H2SO4 on our document. Okay, so we're going to add it. So we're going to zoom in. So we basically see what we were just putting in. So we're going to write down the first box. All right, we can add a new equation. Again, script and subscript. Now go to the box, large box, and type H, and the small box will be like 2. And then here is SO, and then 4. And then you can just edit this one. You can resize the font right here. And you can also customize the alignment. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.